friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making chocolate chip cookies without brown sugar. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a popular recipe request for chocolate chip cookies without brown sugar because many people are just craving chocolate chip cookies and don't have brown sugar in their pantries, but using these simple ingredients, you can just spontaneously make those chocolate chip cookies. So we need butter, regular white sugar, eggs, vanilla, flour, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips. No brown sugar needed. So I'm going to start by mixing 1.5 sticks of softened butter with 3/4 cup of sugar. So 1.5 sticks of butter, it equals 3/4 cup of butter. So you have to soften it, otherwise it won't mix with the sugar. So you can either take the butter out several hours in advance, or if you forgot to do it, you can just microwave it on defrost setting for 1.5 minutes and it becomes soft. See, that's exactly what I did. So that's 1.5 stick of softened butter and 3/4 cup of sugar. So just mix it together. And once you did that, we're going to add 1 egg. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And mix until combined. And now we're going to add the dry ingredients. So we need 1 3/4 cup of flour. So here's 1 3/4. And we need 3/4 of teaspoon of baking soda. ¾ teaspoon. So just sprinkle it over the flour. And we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And let's mix it together. And now let's add the chocolate chips. So here I have 1 cup of chocolate chips. And if it's hard to mix, you can even help with your hands a little bit. So just incorporate the chocolate chips into the cookie dough. Wow, this dough looks amazing. Perfect. And now I'm ready to shape it into cookies. So you can just take it by the spoon And you can just roll it into balls and then we'll flatten them so they're more cookie-like. So now just press like this to flatten. You don't flatten them completely because they also spread when they bake, but we just want to make them more into a cookie shape as opposed to a ball. Perfect. And now let's put it in the oven. So the oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's put the cookies in and bake them. Now these cookies have been baking for 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and they're ready. Let's take a look. Looks so good. Now they might look underbaked, but take them out anyway. They are going to harden as they cool. And that's how they look, and they don't really turn brown because there is no brown sugar, but those are completely ready. Just trust me. Just let them cool here on the counter on the cookie sheet for 30 minutes and they'll be perfect texture. They will be hardened enough and we'll try them. Now these cookies are now cooled down. They were on the counter for 30 minutes and look at them. They really look a lot different than they did when I just took them out of the oven. They looked so underbaked and now they look perfect. Just the right texture. You can actually now see the chocolate chips. Just as they cool down, you know, they become perfect consistency. They look amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. So see, they're now, though they don't fall apart and they're still very soft. So great. Look at that cookie texture. Perfect. Now let's try it. So good. They're amazing. You're going to love these chocolate chip cookies without brown sugar. They're so addicting. I feel like I can just eat this whole batch all at once. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!